I'm about to share with you 3 powerful ways that daily journaling can impact your life and how micro-journaling is the secret that you need to know about to start a daily journaling habit. Number 1, decision making. So I'm a psychotherapist and I might be a bit biased about this one because it's all about your feelings. Writing on a regular basis helps you separate out all the different thoughts and feelings you might be having about any particular issue. When you can separate out all the different thoughts and feelings, you get to see things more clearly. It's a bit like zooming out. When we are able to see things more clearly, we tend to avoid things less because we understand them. We have less anxiety and less stress about it, so decisions are easier to make. Number 2, burnout and fatigue. After 3 years of COVID, we are all feeling a little burned out, and certainly my clients in my private practice are feeling it. I read this study in which a group of nurses were all recruited to join a journaling course. At the beginning and at the end of this course, they measured levels of burnout and compassion fatigue. And of course, they found that at the end of the course, all of the nurses reported improvements in both scores. So this is something really important to consider if you're feeling burned out, run down, tired and over it all. Number 3, physical health. So this is perhaps the most fascinating benefit of all, and it's about how journaling can improve your physical health. The researcher that has done the most studies on journaling and how it impacts us is a guy called James Pennebaker. And one of his many studies concluded that journaling reduces blood pressure, improves mood, which we kind of know, and decreased the number of times people called out sick. Who knew? So journaling is one of those little things. Journaling is one of those things that we know we should do and we know it's helpful, but we never find the time. And then we start shaming ourselves that we didn't do it, and eventually that shame puts us off from even starting. Micro-journaling is the way out of this. You do not need to spend 30 minutes every morning at 5 o'clock writing out your deepest, darkest secrets. You don't have to write any number of pages non-stop unless you're doing morning pages. Micro-journaling is the easiest way to start a daily journaling habit. You just need to find any moment of the day to simply write down a few words about what you're experiencing or what you're feeling. This can be done in your journal, sure, but when you forget your journal or when you don't have your journal on you, use an app. There's a lot of different apps out there. You could email yourself, and worst case, use a good old-fashioned post-it note and then stick that in your journal when you get home. I'm on a mission to help people start journaling in 2023 for mental health benefits. If you're interested in starting journaling, sign up for my mailing list. I send weekly journal prompts and a bunch of questions that go with them so you can start your daily journaling habit, you can start your micro-journaling habit. Come along for the journey.